satisfying. That's very satisfying. Sure is. Okay, so here is the keyboard. I'm really excited for this. There we go. There we go. After quite some time, we have the keyboard. And is it a pull tab? No, there's no pull tab. I think it just goes this way. I remember unboxing the Space Gray Magic Keyboard with the trackpad. Oh, here it is! Holy! Okay, let me just get my keyboard, which looks like this. And look, let's just contrast to this. Holy, okay. Let's take this out. Oh, the keyboard. Holy, is it light? Like, compared to the weight distribution is definitely something we have to see here. Okay, well, let's just see. Let's just come with here. We have the USB cable, and let's pull this, shall we? No? Do we pull this before? I'm not. Okay, there we go. And then we just kind of take it out of the envelope. Holy! Am I out of frame? No, it's not out of frame. Okay, oof. See, as you can see, I'm bad at unboxings. I sure am bad at unboxings because this is not satisfying at all. Oh, there's a power switch. Okay, let me just take out the second tab here. This should. Now that's satisfying. Ooh, man. Looky. That looks incredible. Holy, this looks out of this world. Let's do a quick type test. Oh, this is nice. Oh,